Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is self parameter in constructor in Python. So a reference to the object being created is provided by the self parameter in constructors. It is a unique parameter that can be used to access the class instance variables and methods. When an object of a class is created, the self parameter, which is always the first parameter of a constructor, is automatically passed. Okay. Now let's see an example. Okay, how it works. Let me take a previous example. Let's say class, that is BMW car manufacturer, and here we are going to define a constructor, let's say init, wherein we will be accepting two parameters, that is model number and then price. As soon as I created the init, so this first argument of this constructor gets created by default with the name self, right? And what is this? This is a first class parameter. Okay, as a first argument it can be named as self, but if you want to rename or if you want to use different name, then you can, let's say self1. This will also work. Self1 dot, let's say model number, then self1 dot price. Create a different function, get details, we can say. Here you can also see the self parameter. So this is for this function. This can also be changed, right? Let's say I want to print the detail of the car, let's say model number. You can say self dot model number, and here we can say the BMW price. You can say self dot price. Now the next step is to create an instance of this class. Let's say v1 equals to BMW, and it will expect two parameters in the constructor, right? You see model number, that is I4, right? And the price $20,000. Okay, we have to print the detail of the car, let's say. Okay, very simple program. Let's run. You can see the information is printed right here. So the model number and the price of the car with the help of self parameter. Let's say I want to take it back as the default name was this parameter, then it will work same as earlier. Okay, no impact. You can consider this self or this first argument of the constructor method as a this keyword in C# language. If so, here this can be changed, right? Self, then we have to take it self1. Okay, no impact. Okay, so this is the use of self parameter in constructors.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.